Hey, Kevin.
I hear you're our sound man for this project.
Some call me that.
What are you putting in?
Yeah, so we decided for this project, specifically for the kitchen and the living room, that we're going to do architectural speakers.
Which is what?
All right, so an architectural speaker is a speaker that is built into the building.
I see a couple boxes in the ceiling already. Is that one of these?
Yeah, so this is actually what's called a back box. It has a purpose for the architectural speaker to both isolate the sound and direct it into the room.
So those boxes don't have, but this has got insulation in it.
Yes, helps improve the sound quality and also makes people happy upstairs.
Yeah, you're down here cooking, you got the music on, babies are upstairs sleeping, all 5 of them. You don't want to wake them up.
Ideally not 5, and ideally not awake.
Totally your decision. All right, so boxes are in, insulation, then what?
So after that, we have what's called a pre-instruction bracket. And you'll notice it's a mesh.
This mesh here.
Yeah, so the
Right.
purpose of the mesh is so that we can line this up in the box however we want. And we'll just screw it directly into the back box. But the idea is that this serves as a template for the drywallers.
So upside down, this is our finished look.
Correct. And then what we have here is the housing for the speaker. And you'll notice it actually has these pins in it for the speaker to connect to.
So you run the hard wire to the housing, you're saying?
Correct.
Which then sits in here.
Yep. And then you clamp it in onto this bracket.
Gotcha.
And then the last step is the speaker itself. And so you'll notice on the speaker, it's got the pins right here.
Oh, I get you now. So it's just kind of plug and play.
Exactly, yeah.
Let's see if I can get it in there. Oh yeah, look at that.
All right, now for the final touch. You see it looks nice, but we kind of want to hide the speakers.
And that's going to click into place?
Yep, it's magnetically held in. And then this can also be painted the same color as the ceiling.
Tell me about the wiring.
This is high-end speaker wire. I went with a 12 gauge by 2 speaker wire. And so this is an unshielded wire.
Meaning what? Unshielded?
So unshielded basically means that it doesn't have any protection against EM interference and whatnot. And the reason it's okay in this project is because we know where we're going to run it. So the reason why that's important is you got your electrical wire, right? Mm-hmm. When things are plugged into the electrical wire, they can induce currents in other wires if they're too close. So if this wire is running parallel to the electrical wire, that'll create a hum or a noise in the speaker system when it's on.
So how do you protect against that?
One thing that is okay is running it perpendicular.
Oh.
So because it's not in parallel like this, it won't induce a current when the two are crossing.
So unshielded crossing like this, no interference?
Not a big deal, yeah.
Not a big deal. Good to know. All right. And then the last guy here is what?
So this is our amplifier. This will go down into the basement where we run all of the leads for the speakers.
So you're saying that this powers the speaker, whereas most speakers, or some speakers I think, have power to them, right?
So that's called an active speaker. So in our case, these are passive, which means that we're running the power remotely over the wire to the speaker.
Okay, so quite a bit of wiring.
Oh, yeah, but it's fun.
Well, I'm glad you think so, because we like sweat equity, and you got a lot of fun ahead of you.
Yeah, I do.
Thanks, Jason.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.